In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu in WordPress. We'll do this using the WordPress site editor, which is common with modern block themes. From your WordPress dashboard, open the site editor and load your home template so you can see the header exactly as visitors will. Once you're there, look for the navigation area in the header and choose the option to edit the navigation. This focuses your workspace on the menu so the right tools appear. Next, select the header navigation block itself. If you see a highlight around it, that's your cue you've selected the right piece. Click directly on the navigation block to bring up its toolbar and settings. From the sidebar or the floating controls, open the menu settings. This is where you can manage the items that appear in your site's main menu. To add a new item, choose the option to create a page from the menu controls. When prompted, type the name of the page you want to add. Use a clear label like Services or About, keeping it short and descriptive, then confirm by creating the page. WordPress will add that new page to your site and place it in the menu in one step. If you need to reorder anything, you can drag items in the list. With the menu items set, let's polish the look. With the navigation still selected, open the style options and locate the buttons or button-like styling for menu items. Click through the available buttons controls to see how your menu's links render and settle on a style that fits your theme. Small adjustments here, like spacing and shape, can make the header feel more cohesive. Now open the advanced settings. Expand any highlighted sections and set the menu to use the default based on area for the header. This tells your menu to inherit header-wide styles, keeping things consistent across templates. Before saving, click into the title or label fields for any items you just added, and make sure the wording is exactly how you want it to appear in the menu. When everything looks good, return to the general settings to review your changes one more time. Go ahead and save. If a confirmation appears and you want to double-check something, you can cancel to review, then save again when ready. Finally, choose Launch or Publish to make your updated navigation live for visitors. That's it. You've added and styled a navigation menu in WordPress, created a new page right from the menu, aligned it with your header styles, and published the changes. If your theme looks a bit different, the process